How to change your TikTok region. Hey everyone, it's Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with the tutorial. So first and foremost, tap in your profile icon, and from here tap on the three line icon at the top. Go to settings and privacy. From here select the option of content preference. Now from this list tap on refresh your for you feed. So go ahead and do that and tap on continue and press on refresh. Now you can select any of this option or simply skip it according to your requirement. Now once you do that, head back to the settings list from here and then select the option of language. Now you will see preferred language option, tap on that. Now your default might be English and you can just go ahead and choose any other language from this list so that TikTok algorithm will understand you are interested in different region TikTok. Once you do that, now the algorithm will be changed and it will provide you some of the content from Filipinos as well. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.